DCM Shriram, a renowned name synonymous with quality and innovation, stands as a pioneer in the realm of manufacturing across the verticals of agri-rural, chlor-vinyl and value-added business. It's Fenesta Windows and Doors division leading the charge in excellence and innovation. With legacy dating back to 1889, DCM Shriram has continually pushed the boundaries of excellence, and Fenesta is a testament to this commitment. DCM Shriram's journey into the realm of windows and doors began with a vision to improve the lives and homes of people through innovation and excellence. Since its inception in 2002, Fenesta has been dedicated to delivering products that not only enhance the architectural appeal of spaces but also prioritize sustainability and performance. The brand is the pioneer in the UPVC windows and doors, and over the last 21 years has expanded its product portfolio to include aluminium windows and doors, solid panel doors, and now facades. Today, Fenesta boasts of more than 4 million installations and a pan-India sales and service presence through 20 sales offices, 8 factories, 9 signature studios, more than 330 channel partners, a strong direct sales and service force, and international presence in Maldives, Kenya, Nepal, and Bhutan. At the heart of Fenesta's success lies the state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, meticulously designed to uphold the highest standards of quality and precision. Situated in strategic locations across India, with the extrusion facility at Kota and 7 fabrication units at Bhiwadi, Chennai, Bhubaneswar, and Hyderabad. These facilities boast of cutting-edge technology, allowing for seamless production processes. Fenesta is the only fenestration company in India with such a comprehensive and world-class infrastructure, enabling complete control over its entire supply chain. Fenesta invests in research and development to continuously improve product designs, enhance performance, and develop innovative features that set the company apart from competitors. We source top-tier PVC from DCM Shriram's chlor-vinyl division, ensuring optimal strength and durability of profiles at our cutting-edge extrusion unit in Kota, utilizing robotics and automation for precise manufacturing processes resulting in high-quality products. Additionally, we manufacture profiles in a spectrum of colors to meet diverse aesthetic preferences. Each profile undergoes a stringent quality assessment to guarantee durability, efficiency, and compliance with international benchmarks. Utilizing cutting-edge technology, Fenesta's machinery achieves precise operation, from drilling drainage holes to installing screws with exceptional accuracy. It also skillfully creates detailed routing for handles and locks, ensuring both functionality and aesthetics. Central to our manufacturing process is the meticulous fusion joining of each profile. Whether it's through inline welding for transoms or quad welding for corners, our state-of-the-art techniques guarantee increased durability and enhanced insulation, which further ensures that the windows and doors are leak-proof. Fenesta windows are designed to provide the best-in-class strength and resilience, fortified by the inclusion of premium-grade steel reinforcements and hurricane bars, meticulously integrated with the panels. This fortification empowers our windows to defiantly weather the fiercest of storms and withstand the relentless onslaught of high winds. Fenesta's proprietary and patented RainTrack system and meticulously designed sill arrangement ensures no rainwater seepage occurs even during extreme monsoons. At Fenesta, customer safety and comfort are paramount, leading us to develop windows and doors with an advanced multi-point locking system. This feature boosts security, improves sealing, and shields interiors from external elements. It significantly enhances sound and thermal insulation, promoting a peaceful, energy-efficient environment. Additionally, by distributing weight evenly, this system ensures lasting security and maintains the structural integrity of our products. At Fenesta, our commitment to excellence extends beyond the manufacturing process. Each item undergoes a comprehensive examination, leaving no room for errors or defects to compromise our standards. Through a series of rigorous tests, we meticulously evaluate key parameters such as fusion, durability and strength, ensuring that every product meets and exceeds our stringent quality benchmarks. This exhaustive evaluation process serves as a testament to our unwavering dedication to delivering only the finest windows and doors to our valued customers. Our team of experts conducts thorough checks to assess stability, leaving no detail overlooked. Even the slightest deviation, as minute as a millimeter, raises a red flag, prompting immediate corrective action to uphold our uncompromising standards. Fenesta adheres rigorously to industry standards and certifications to ensure the safety and well-being of our employees and society at large. Our accreditations from SGS, confirming the absence of lead, cadmium, mercury and any other hazardous elements, along with certification from CEPT for energy simulation, underscore our commitment to responsibility. These credentials position Fenesta as a leader in conscientious manufacturing practices. As committed to sustainability, Fenesta recycles and repurposes the generated waste by sending it back to our Kota extrusion plant for reuse. Emphasizing responsibly sourced materials and energy-efficient production, sustainability is at the core of our operations. Fenesta has achieved the significant milestone of over 4 million window installations, reflecting our unwavering commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. This accomplishment underscores our dedication to quality, highlighted by numerous positive customer testimonials. Each review attests to the reliability, service, and craftsmanship inherent in Fenesta products, reinforcing our reputation for delivering superior windows and doors that consistently exceed customer expectations. Fenesta prides itself on controlling the entire supply chain, ensuring seamless end-to-end customer service, from pre-sales consultation to after-sales support, warranty services, the efficient resolution of any concerns. Our in-house customer service center is dedicated to delivering a superior customer experience at every touch point. Furthermore, Fenesta is committed to innovation, investing significantly in cutting-edge tools such as 3D VR walkthroughs, a WhatsApp chatbot, and an AR-enabled app. These initiatives not only ensure customer convenience, but also elevates customer satisfaction to new heights. Fenesta's relentless pursuit of excellence has earned it widespread acclaim and industry recognition. As a market leader in the windows and doors segment, Fenesta has received numerous awards and accolades for its innovation, quality, and customer-centric approach. With a growing presence both domestically and internationally, Fenesta continues to set the benchmark for excellence in the industry. So whether you're building your dream home or renovating a commercial space, trust Fenesta as your one-stop solution for windows, doors, and now facades. Fenesta, world's finest windows and doors brand.